Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are well, fine, and safe inside your homes. So, now today, let us start with the second part of this chapter, that is understanding media. So, first, let us revise again what is media. What is media? Media is the plural form of the word medium. It describes the various ways through which we communicate in our society. So, that is what we call media. For example, TV, radio, newspaper, all of it. All of these are what? These are called the media. So, now today we will study the topic of media and money. So, how is media making money out of it? So, say there are different technologies that mass media has and which are also very expensive. So say for example TV studio in which the news reader sits, so it has got lights, cameras, sounds, recorders, transmission satellites, all of which cost a lot of money. So the TV program or the episode which you see on the TV, it is not just about the actors who are there inside it, but it is also about the editors, the writers, screenwriters, and more people of those categories. So in a news studio, it is not only the news reader who is providing the news, but there are also the other people also who are helping to broadcast together. So this will include the people who are setting off and managing cameras and lights also. So it is not only the one person who is being paid off or who is being recognized, but there are many lot of other people also who are being paid. So mass media is constantly thinking ways to make money. So the one way in which mass media earns money is by advertising. So you must have seen that while you are watching a cricket match or any serial or any episode of whichever program you like, you must have noticed that there are advertisements coming in between those breaks. So these are what? So these are the different advertisements which are being shown to you so that you purchase the product. So this is how media is trying to earn money. So while watching a cricket match on the TV, the same advertisements must have been shown repeatedly between each over, and so you are often watching them, and so you are also purchasing them. So this is how media is earning money over it. So this is the concept of the media by showing advertisements also. The next topic which we have is about censorship, which we have already studied in the terms. So what is censorship? When the government has the power to disallow the media from sharing some news or some scenes or some important information or some really important information. So the government has the power to do such things, that it can order the media not to show this on the TV or not to show this on the news channels, and so the media has to follow it. And so this concept, this term is known as censorship. I repeat, censorship. CENSORSHIP. So this is what we mean by the term censorship. So our next topic is setting agendas. The media also plays a very important role in deciding what stories are to be focused on, and therefore it decides on what is actually newsworthy, which means on what actually is important and what is not important. So for example, there is an annual function at your school, and so the media will not cover that news, but if there is some chief guest which has been invited at the annual function of your school, then media is more likely to cover that news. Why? Because it has got some importance, so it will cover that type of news. So again, setting agendas has always been the main task for media. Why? Because it will focus on those stories which have got some catchy titles or some important information. So that was about media. So as citizens of a democracy, that is for a democratic country, the media has a very important role to play in our lives. This is because because through media we hear about the issues. So it is the media which is informing us of what is happening all over the world. So again, it becomes very much important for us to know and understand the real meaning of this word called media. So I hope you are clear with this chapter. And so that was it for today. Thank you and have a nice day.